Class 25, Week 6 for 5th B. Good morning, kids. Today we are going to read part 2 of our book, Believe It or Not. Instructions. Read and listen pages 8 to 9. Answer questionnaire 2. And finally, glossary. Let's start reading. Crop circles. Strange circles of flattened plants in fields were reported as early as 1590. Farmers thought they were made by wind. In the 1980s, the number of circles increased, and they changed to more intricate designs. Most crop circles form mysteriously at night, but a few people report having seen them being formed by spaceships or whirlwinds. Sometimes lights are seen in the sky, and humming or music is heard. Sometimes radiation can be detected inside the circles. The crops inside circles are not crushed. They are bent at the lowest node on the stalk. Often these bent crops grow better than the plants outside the circles. Scientific experiments suggest that microwave beams might cause the circles. But from where would they come, and who would be controlling them? Some people think they are messages from outer space. In areas where many circles are found, some people watch the fields at night for signs of activity. They say that complicated circle patterns can appear in just a few minutes. Many crop circles are very large. This one consisted of 149 circles and appeared near Stonehenge within 20 minutes in broad daylight. Many crop circles are made by humans for a variety of reasons. Some people just want to prove that it can be done, while others want to play tricks. In 1991, Englishmen Doug Bower and David Corley claimed they had made every crop circle since 1978. Some people accepted the explanation of their hoax, while others doubted they had the skill and strength to create huge patterns at night without being seen. Doug retracted his confession 7 years later. Some people suggest that the circles are created by tornadoes. Crop cycles designs are controlled and intricate, though while tornadoes destroyed a wide area. Another weather theory is based on a type of whirlwind called a plasma vortex. A plasma vortex can create the lights and sounds reported by eyewitnesses. It can hover in one place or move as if it's under remote control, which could make it look like a UFO. Some researchers have suggested that the military is developing a high-energy weapon powered by microwaves. In this scenario, crop circles are produced by tests of this top-secret weapon. Do you think crop circles are real or a hoax? Now let's go to check questionnaire. What was reported in 1590? What did the farmers think? What happened in 1980? When do these crop circles appear? How have the people reported them being formed? What kind of things have been detected? Describe the crops inside circles and outside them. What do scientific experiments suggest? In general, what do some people think? What is said in areas where circles? What did Englishmen make in 1911? Who retracted his confession? What is said that the circles are created by tornadoes? What is another theory? What can a plasma vortex create? What it could look like? Detail what have some researchers suggested. Do you think crop circles are real or a hoax? Now the glossary. Intricate, whirlwinds, crush, node, bent, beam, hoax, vortex, plasma, hover. Now for homework. Copy your questions in your notebook with your answers and look up the glossary meanings. We will check during our class the answers to your questions as well as your glossary words. Thank you for your attention and we will see you in the next class. Bye.